Ever tried reading on your phone, then suddenly you're 47 minutes deep into TikTok watching a guy wash a carpet with a pressure washer? Yeah, same. So if you're searching for a pocket e-reader that keeps you focused and actually makes reading feel fun again, today we're comparing Xteink X4 versus Boox Palma 2. And by the end of this video, you'll know which one fits you. Let's start with the Xteink X4. This thing is basically the minimalist king. It's super slim, super light, and it feels like carrying a tiny library that weighs, honestly, almost nothing. It's designed for one job, reading, and it does that really well. The magnetic back is actually pretty cool. Flip it open and you're ready to read instantly. No drama, no loading forever. Just snap, read. It supports formats like TXT and EPUB, has decent storage, Type-C charging, and it's perfect for commutes, coffee shops, or reading in bed without feeling like you're holding a brick. But here's the catch, it's more of a pure reader, not a do-everything device. If you want apps, multitasking, or fancy features, you might feel limited. Now the Boox Palma 2. Oh boy, this one is basically an e-paper smartphone without the phone part. It's got a sharper display, 300 ppi, which means text looks ridiculously crisp, like real printed paper. And it also has dual tone front light, so reading at night doesn't feel like your eyes are getting flashbang. But the biggest flex, it runs Open Android with Google Play Store, so you can install reading apps, note apps, podcasts, meditation apps, whatever. It even supports TTS, so you can listen to books like an audiobook while walking. And it's fast for an e-paper device, thanks to Boox refresh modes and an octa-core CPU. Scrolling and switching apps feels way smoother than you'd expect. So here's the simple verdict. If you want a light, simple distraction-free reading buddy, go Xteink X4. But if you want the most powerful pocket e-paper device with apps, speed, and versatility, Boox Palma 2 is the clear winner. Me personally, if I'm trying to actually finish books and not get distracted, I'd pick the X4. But if I want one device that does everything, Palma 2 all day. If you found this helpful, drop a like and comment which one you choose. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store linked below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.